Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can steal a person or kidnap them in Baldur's Gate 3. So by that I mean we're going to pick up someone and we're going to move them to a location where they're not meant to be, and also prevent them from walking back to where they belong. Let's get right into it. So in this tutorial I'm going to kidnap Quartermaster Tally and move her to a safe place so she is safe in case last light ever falls. So firstly, you need to go and make sure you have a strength of 20 or higher. So if I check my strength, it's currently 19. A really easy way to up your strength is to drink a potion of Hill Giant Strength. Luckily I have one. This will set your strength to 21, so let's drink it. After my strength is greater than 20, you need to find the person you want to kidnap or liberate, and click on the improvised melee weapon button. Then you want to select the person as the target. After that, you're then going to be able to select where you want to basically pick up the character and throw them. And all you need to do is make it so your character is going to move a decent distance before they end up throwing the person you're trying to pick up. And the reason is, once we pick up the character and are moving, we're going to teleport to a different waypoint. So the greater the distance you can make your character move, the more time you get to pull this off. So I'm going to make my character pick up Tally and move her to around here. This will give me ample time to pick a place on the map. So once you found the location, just left click, your character's going to pick them up and move, as you can see, and I'm going to teleport her to Moonrise Towers. And as you can see, we now have Quartermaster Tally at Moonrise Towers, and as you can see, she's staying still. She's not trying to move back to the location she wanted to before, so I could talk to her. And she's functioning just like normal, which is great. And if I go back to the Last Light Inn, as you can see, she's not there. If we go back to Moonrise, where we dropped her off, as you can see, she's still there and still functional. So now you can do whatever you want without consequences from the rest of the Last Light Inn. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.